All right, since Atlassian stock is trading near its 52-week low, a lot of investors are interested in this company. They're interested in both buying the stock and selling the stock. Some of you that don't already own Atlassian stock might be circling and looking to add near 52-week lows. Others that may have already owned the company for a while are now considering to cut their ties and trying to decide if they should sell this company. Whether you're looking to buy or sell Atlassian stock, I'm going to share with you some details you need to know about the company before you make your investment decision. So the management team said about their guidance approach for fiscal year 2026 in that it's being consistent with the approach they took in 2025, which is we are taking what they believe to be a conservative and risk-adjusted approach to account for macroeconomic uncertainty and potential business disruption. So as I've talked about in other videos, I don't like when management teams take a conservative approach to their guidance. I also don't like when management teams take an optimistic approach to their guidance. I prefer management teams just try to accurately predict what their revenue and profit and key performance metrics will look like in the upcoming year and the upcoming quarter. Let me make the adjustments to your forecast after I incorporate that into my macroeconomic picture and my geopolitical picture. If every company is making adjustments based on the macroeconomic environment, then as an analyst, I need to go in and determine how big of an adjustment are they making, and do I need to make an adjustment on their adjustment, right? So it makes it more difficult for me to evaluate companies when management teams are conservative, like is the case here with Atlassian. And then you have management teams that are way, way too optimistic, like Tesla, and they predict things like our revenue is going to be $10 trillion by, 2035 because of robots, right? So they take a way too optimistic approach, and some companies take a way too pessimistic approach. And either way, I need to make adjustments as an analyst to make accurate investing decisions. And so I prefer companies just provide me with accurate information. So the company did say that they will be able to deliver 20% compounded annual growth from fiscal year 2024 through fiscal year 2027. And they believe with 20% growth in 2025, they've laid a strong foundation for achieving that and are on track to hit that goal. Click the link below to watch the full video.